So if you stepped through the code all the way past main plus 60, the last store to the stack, you should have seen something like this. We've got the sort of uninitialized alignment things that we tend to expect when we don't have exactly multiples of hex 10 for our local variables, or we always have seen it thus far for the stack point, or for the frame pointer rather. So what went where? Well, it looks like short A, babe, went right here at the lowest address. Then we had b of 0, b of 1. b of 1 got set equal to babe, but because b of 1 is an int, that necessarily would lead to sign extension. So we would see that the most significant bit of babe is a 1, and that sign extends all 1s, which leads to hex f's for the upper bits of the 32-bit value FFFF babe. Then we saw that b of 4 had some math done on it, and so this is just the result of that math. And C was set to a hard-coded constant of Balboa bled blood again. So again, this is what you should see if you went through the code. So the takeaway from this example is that it appears to be that all of the declared order of these things is stored exactly in the order of declaration, just, upside down according to our diagram. Now, also what we see here is uninitialized things for, if we haven't actually touched those. But there is one additional thing that we can see here, and that is the fact that this short A, which is only 16 bits, got itself a whole 8 bytes worth of space. And so all of this upper bytes are just uninitialized. So you could imagine that all of this stuff could have been, compressed together. You could have had A followed by B of 0, and then maybe, 1 byte of unused space, and then maybe b of 1 would have started here. You could imagine different ways of actually organizing this stuff and putting it all together. And we'll, come back and talk about that a little bit more a little bit later. But for now, let's keep track of what we just collected, and that was the LH, load half word, SH, store half word, add IW, so add immediate to a word-sized register, and add W, add 2 word-sized registers together. Putting it like this, we got our half word and half word store and load. We've got our add IW with the compressed add IW. We've got our add W with the compressed add W, and we picked up a compressed Louis to go along with our Louis over here.